Good morning, students. Today we are going to do the exercise number 1. In the following sentences, separate the subject and the predicate. The cackling of geese saved room. In this sentence, the cackling of geese is subject and saved room is predicate. Second, the boy stood on the burning deck. In this sentence, the boy is subject and stood on the burning deck is predicate. Always predicate starts from the verb. Keep this thing in your mind. Tubal-Cain was a man of might. Tubal-Cain is subject and was a man of might is predicate. Stone walls do not make a prison. Stone walls is subject. Do not make a prison is predicate. The singing of the birds delight us. Now the singing of the birds is subject. Delights us is predicate. Miss Kitty was rude at the table one day. Miss Kitty is subject and was rude at the table one day is predicate. He has a good memory. He is a subject and has a good memory is predicate. Bad habits grow unconsciously. Bad habit is subject and grow unconsciously is predicate. Ninth example, the earth revolves round the sun. The earth revolves round the sun. The earth is subject and revolves round the sun is predicate. Tenth example, nature is the best physician. Nature is the best physician. What is subject here? Nature is subject and is the best physician is predicate. Edison invented the phonograph. What is subject here? Edison. Edison is subject and invented the phonograph is predicate. We cannot pump the ocean dry. 13th example, we cannot pump the ocean dry. What is subject here? We. And what is predicate here? Cannot pump the ocean dry. Now next is borrowed garments never fit well. 14th example it is borrowed garments never fit well. What is subject here? Borrowed garments. And what is predicate here? Never fit well. Now 15th example is there. The early bird catches the worm. So what is subject here? The early bird. And what is predicate here? Catches the worm. Now what is verb here? Catches. So predicate will start from catches the worm and the remaining part is subject. All matter is indestructible. What is verb here? Is. So is indestructible is predicate and all matter is subject. All matter is subject and is indestructible is predicate. Islamabad is the capital of Pakistan. Now again what is verb here? Is. So first one part is subject. Islamabad. Islamabad is subject, is the capital of Pakistan is predicate. We should profit by experience. What is subject here? We. Should profit by experience is predicate. All roads lead to Rome. All roads is subject, lead to Rome is predicate. A guilty conscience needs no excuse. A guilty conscience is subject, needs no excuse is predicate. The beautiful rainbow soon faded away. The beautiful rainbow is subject, soon faded away is predicate. Next is no man can serve two masters. So no man is subject, can serve two masters is predicate. A sick room should be well aired. A sick room is subject, should be well aired is predicate. The dewdrops glitter in the sunshine. The dewdrops is subject, glitter in the sunshine is predicate. I shot an arrow into the air. I is subject, shot an arrow into the air is predicate. A barking sound the shepherd hears. Make it in a simple sentence. The shepherd hears a barking sound. So what is subject here? The shepherd, a barking sound hears is predicate. On the top of the hill lives a hermit. Indifferent is it written? So write it in a simple way. A hermit lives on the top of a hill. So a hermit is subject, on the top of the hill lives is predicate. I think so all of you understand now. Thank you.